Well, a new weight loss pill could soon hit the market.
That's right. And just yesterday, the FDA gave the green light for the GLP drug WeGovy to be sold as a tablet. Charity Johnson spoke with the local pharmacy about how the new option could impact the market, and she joins us in the studio with more.
Yes, the CDC says 40.3% of Americans are affected by obesity, and access to the new pill could bring that number down. Durham Pharmacy says the pill could be more convenient for the healthcare system and patients.
Losing weight may be getting easier. On Monday, the Food and Drug Administration approved the pill version of the weight loss drug, WeGovy.
I think it's exciting. You can imagine the number of patients that'd much rather take a tablet.
Previously, WeGovy and some other GLP-1 medications were only available through injections. Semaglutide, one of the main ingredients in the GLPs, also helps treat type 2 diabetes.
So used to help control blood sugar, and then in turn, by lowering your blood sugar, you can also maybe have some weight loss. It gives you a feeling of full and that you're not so eager and want to eat so much.
WeGovy is the first oral GLP drug for weight loss that'll be on the market. The daily pill contains 25 milligrams of semaglutide to help fight obesity. Pharmacist Sam Durham says his pharmacy sells all types of GLP drugs, including WeGovy and Ozempic, if the patient has a prescription.
They've been around for a while, and and actually more companies now are covering them. More insurance companies are starting to cover the medications, so we see more patients wanting to use the drug.
The GLPs usually cost around $1,000 or more for an injection. However, with the pills, the cost may drop to as low as $149. Durham advises patients to be mindful when taking the pill.
Like the injectable drugs, the WeGovy tablet, you need to be monitored by your provider. It's important that someone looks after you, and that because there are some side effects, and this is important. It's nice to get the weight loss, but you have to also make sure it's done in the right way.
Some GLP side effects include nausea, diarrhea, or constipation. However, Durham says some patients have dropped more than 200 pounds over 6 months using a GLP. Novo Nordisk is the drug manufacturer for WeGovy.
The drug manufacturer Novo Nordisk plans to launch the pill in the U.S. in January 2026.